If your coaching business still depends on you remembering everything manually, these 3 simple automations I'm going to share can instantly free up your time, improve your client experience, and help you get paid consistently. So first up is you need to automate your calendar reminders. So any coaching sessions that you have scheduled or any discovery calls that you're having with potential clients, go ahead and make your life easier by signing up with a calendar scheduler so that those reminders that are sent to the client as well as to you are automated. If you're still manually sending Zoom links or Google Meet links, the time to change that is today. And so that is the very first thing I want you to automate. The second thing you need to automate is your client onboarding. Whenever a client signs up to work with you, you want to make sure that each one actually has the same consistent experience. So they receive the same documents, they sign the same contract, they receive the same emails. If you're doing everything manually every time someone signs up with you, you're bound to miss a step. And it really is just a lot of extra mental gymnastics that you have to do with yourself that just is not necessary. So if you put a system in place where you can automate all the steps in your client onboarding, or at least as many as possible, you're going to just save yourself a ton of headaches and a ton of time. The added bonus is that your client is going to feel super taken care of. The third thing you want to automate is your payments. If you're still sending invoices every time someone wants to work with you or every time they owe a payment on your payment plan, you are wasting so much time. We now have tools available to us where you can get paid without having to send an invoice, and your clients will probably actually prefer it. So I'm going to share one tool that will automate all 3 of these things, and that is my favorite tool, which is Paperbell. Paperbell is an all-in-one tool that handles scheduling, payments, contract signing, and client management. So because it automates scheduling, that means when someone books a call with you, they're automatically going to be sent the Zoom link, or Google Meet link. They're automatically going to be sent the calendar reminders so that you actually have a lower or no-show rate. It also is going to automate your payments because when you send someone the link to purchase your coaching offer, once they click book now, they're going to be prompted to pay with their credit card. So then you'll get paid either via Stripe or PayPal. So there was no invoice needed for that. And then it's also automating your client onboarding workflow because it's going to prompt them not only to make that payment, but also to electronically sign your contract and book their first session with you. So you go ahead and send them that one link, and all of these onboarding steps happen automatically, which is why it is my favorite tool for coaches. I specialize in teaching coaches just like you how to create their automated client onboarding system inside of Paperbell. So if that's something that you need help with, go ahead and check out my Paperbell mini course called Booked and Automated. You'll find the link in the description of this video, and I will see you there. Bye.